Hi, today we will experience 3 megawatt solar utility power plant. This is a live demonstration covering few parts of the project. We will understand how the project works now. This is the simple schematic diagram of the solar PV power plant utility scale projects. Here the power starts from solar PV panel. From the PV panel it goes to combiner box, and from the combiner box it goes to inverter, then transformer, then HT panel, then it will be evacuated. Then the power is getting evacuated to the grid line with the help of switchyards. So this is how it works. Yes, we are into the live site. This is polycrystalline PV modules, capacity of 325 watts peak, open circuit voltage of 45 volt, and we have 22 panels connected in series to form as a string. Such as we will have 22 strings which is being connected to this solar combiner box. This PV panel are mounted on the solar module mounting structure, which has a wind speed capacity of 160 km per hour. This is 22 in 1 out solar string combiner box with string monitoring unit. Both the side positive and negative has fuses, and this combiner box has negative side monitoring with a shunt based monitoring cord. This unit has a DC isolator at the output. Output of the combiner box is connected with the solar inverter. This is the 2-core DC cable which is coming from combiner box to this inverter. This is 635 kilowatt solar grid tie inverter which has the input from 5 solar combiner box. From the all the SCB have RS485 communication based facility. Here you can see there is a SMBS and DCMCB connected to protect the monitoring system. This SCB is completely positive and negative side, both the side protected with the solar fuses of 30 amps. Negative side monitoring is being connected. This monitoring cord is shunt based monitoring cord which gives RS485 data as out. It has power and data SPD in it. We can use daisy chain method of communication to connect this all the communication data to the server room. And the inverter room has many other components like UPS, batteries, fire alarm system, and many more equipments to power up the control. Output of the combiner box is getting connected with the DC combiner box here. 5 combiner boxes are getting connected here, and this DC combiner box is protected with a fuse of 400 amps. Output of this DC combiner box, again it is getting connected with the solar inverter which is 630 kilowatt. This 630 kilowatt converts the DC power into AC power. That AC power will again be connected with the solar AC combiner box. Here you can see 641 kilowatt is getting connected generator. This AC combiner box will combine the output of the inverter. Here the inverter output is 350 volt AC. This 350 volt AC output will be connected with the transformer. This connection between the transformer and inverter may be with a cable or maybe with a bus duct. It depends on the design what the PMC will do. This is the electric transformer. This is 33 kV output and 350 volt as a primary input. And this 33 kV transformer, you can see this auto type oil cooled transformer which step up from 350 volt to 33 kV. This 33 kV output is again getting connected with the HT panels, that is VCB, HT VCB panel, which has about 1250 amps VCB. This is the panel. You can see there are the control protection relays which is mandate for the government approval. Output of VCB panel connected with the local switchyard. Local switchyard output, again it is getting connected with the nearby substation with the help of controller and relay. This is the power evacuation point. Hope I am clear to you. Any clarification you can use the comment box. We are happy to help you there.